4 things you need to know about home health care. Home health care can provide a wide range of services, including education and medication management, receiving physical, speech, or occupational therapy, and wound care, just to name a few. Home health care is designed to help you regain and maintain your independence, helping you get back to doing what you love. Medicare, Medicare Advantage, VA, and most private insurance plans cover eligible home health services. You or your loved one may have to meet certain conditions to be covered by some plans. A care provider will plan for 60 days of care to start. Toward the end of that time, they'll check in with you to see if you need to continue with home health care services. There's no specific limit to the amount of time someone can continue to receive care at home if they still need that care.